Hi there, Liz with GCG Advisory Partners here today to talk about how you can use AI to be more efficient with meetings and clients. As a financial advisor, it can be really challenging to stay on top of everyone's backgrounds along with current events. Follow along to see how I use ChatGPT's deep research feature to break down the newly passed 1,116 page One Big Beautiful Bill and turn it into a summary of how specific provisions of the bill may impact each client differently, offering clearer insight into how these changes may shape their financial trajectories. Please note that the demos we share are for demonstration purposes only, and if you decide to explore any of these tools, be sure to consult with your broker-dealer to ensure alignment with your firm's policies. Start by entering your prompt into the chat box. Don't worry about reading our chat prompts because we're going to post it in the comments below. Next, click the Tools button and select Run Deep Research. Now, when you run deep research, it will take a little bit longer than a traditional search, but it is a lot more accurate and you can see every source that the chat is pulling from. In just a few minutes, you'll receive a curated summary drawn from credible, up-to-date sources. From there, you can refine the output by layering in more specific follow-up prompts. Remember, the more detailed your input, the more precise and relevant your results will be. To track progress in real time, click the Activity tab in the top right corner. Let's take a real-world example. For this case, I'll act as a financial advisor who serves clients from a variety of backgrounds with diverse sources of income and wealth. With the One Big Beautiful Bill signed into law by Donald Trump on July 4th, I have two meetings today that require quick, targeted preparation. One client owns a chain of restaurants based in Florida, is single, and has no children. The other is a high-income W-2 earner making $750,000 annually, lives in New Jersey, is married, and has two children. I asked ChatGPT to identify which components of the bill would be most relevant to each client, taking into account their income, lifestyle, and state-specific tax considerations, along with how those provisions could directly impact their financial situations. The result, a customized briefing that distilled complex policy data into actionable insights that are specifically tailored to the client's unique background. What was once 1,116 pages of information is now a condensed and strategically designed summary of information tailored to the needs of my clients. And that's all for today. Follow our page for weekly insights into the technologies and strategies redefining wealth management. I'll see you next time.